Welcome to a 2-bedroom villa at Disney's Bay Lake Tower at the Contemporary Resort. As we enter the room, we are greeted with some really fun Mickey artwork. So the space and this entire resort is all very modern theming. We've got our hall bathroom right here at the front. It is a full bath, so you have a combined shower and tub. You've got little H2O products down here, so it is not on the wall, which is always a pretty rare sight. And then, of course, your sink, toilet, and there's a hairdryer in here, which is nice, because we were just on the Disney Magic, and they had one hairdryer for the entire room. But in the main space, we, of course, have our lovely seating area, which we are here for Destination D23, so we'll be at the resort pretty much the entire weekend, so we'll, I'm sure, get to take advantage of having an actual dining and living space. But we have this awesome Space Mountain artwork above the table. If I do a 360, we've got our kitchen space over here. So it is a full kitchen like most of the DVC villas that are a 1-bedroom or larger. Got a full-size fridge, you've got your dishwasher, oven, microwave, coffee maker, and of course all of those cabinets will be fully stocked with glasses and plates and utensils and anything you may need to cook a full meal in here if you wanted to do so. Then you've got an island right here, of course, with some additional drawers full of whatever you may need, with 2 chairs at the island as well. So tons of seating with a stool over there by the dining table. Then we've got a pull-out couch. So this is a sleeper sofa that could sleep 2. Huge end tables on either side and really cool art right above of both the Contemporary and Bay Lake Tower with the monorail running through the center. Then just a nice sitting chair over here by the large window, and then a sleeper chair. So 3 people could sleep in this living room space. We've then got, of course, the big TV for the living room with tons of storage underneath. All of the rooms appear to be giving you a Disney 100 book that you can now read while you're in the room. And then here's a quick look at our view, which I will go on the balcony at the end. But a nice theme park view looking out at the Magic Kingdom. Of course, a little overcast today, but still a great view getting to see Space Mountain and Tron and the castle. But we're going to head back towards the front door. And I'm going to make a left, so if I came into the room, this would be turning towards our right. Now we do have a little closet right here in the hallway. This is going to be your washer and dryer, and they do provide some detergent in there for you. Then we're going to have a little hall closet right here as well. So that does have your laundry basket you can use while you're staying here. And if you want to put any of your suitcases kind of out of the way, there is space to hang some clothing in there too. And then we're going to go into the first of the 2 bedrooms. We've got a closet right here on the left. It's got a luggage rack. It's got some hangers in there, tons of hanging space. And no safe, so probably just a safe in the master. But then we've got our second bathroom, another single vanity here, with a separate sliding door for the room that has both the toilet and another combined shower and tub. Then we're going to go back this way into the main room. Here's kind of the traditional Bay Lake Tower setup that you see in all of the studios. So you can kind of picture this one room right here would be exactly what a studio would look like. You've got 2 queen-size beds with the fun artwork of both Mickey and Minnie above. You have this huge storage space. Back when we used to vacation to Disney World, we pretty much always stayed at Bay Lake Tower, so I am very used to storing all my souvenirs in these cabinets. Tons of drawers for clothes down below. And, of course, one of the 2 balconies that we have available in this room. This one does not have a door to the living room, so this balcony can only be accessed by the secondary bedroom. Now we're going to head back to the front, straight across into the master bedroom space. So separate door over here so it can be closed off. First things first, we've got a closet right here behind the door. So there is your safe. So a nice big safe that could definitely fit your laptops and your iPads, all those items in there, as well as more space for hanging some clothing. We've got the big master bathroom, still just a single vanity, but it does have a separated bathtub in here. It does have a sliding door that opens up to the bedroom space, but you can slide that closed if you would like. Got a really cool piece of art of Cinderella Castle right above the tub, and it does appear to be a jacuzzi tub as well. And then a separate room as well that is going to be, of course, the toilet, as well as a full walk-in shower. It is a rainfall shower head, and you do have a bench in there as well. Just some nice artwork of a field, which is a little random. But that's the master bathroom. And then here is the master bedroom space. We've got the king-size bed. Got some artwork above of Mickey, Minnie, and Goofy. Of course, our 2 end tables. Now, this is a older resort as far as DVC properties have gone on the refurbishment schedule. So I don't believe this resort has received a refurbishment in quite some time, or honestly since it opened, since it only opened in 2009. So I don't see any USB ports in these rooms. So just something to keep in mind, you will definitely want to bring some wall plugs. Most of the other rooms that have been refurbished all have built-in USBs. So I just see some outlets, but it does look like there's a good number of those. I'm sure there's some over on the left-hand side, and I see 4 outlets right there by the right end table. So plenty of spaces to still charge your items. We do have a little workstation right here, a desk if you want to do some work while you're staying in the room, with a mirror right above. We do have some outlets built into the table here. Still no USBs though. So it's all standard outlet plugs. And then we'll take a look at the second balcony. Now, there are 2, as I mentioned. They are identical, but they are not connected. So they are both 2 smaller balconies. You have your standard 2 chairs that you can sit on with a little table in the middle. And then to give an idea of our view, here is, of course, our view of the Magic Kingdom. There is a second entrance to this balcony from the living room as well. So if you're in the living room space, you could enter this balcony from either door. And that's going to be a full walkthrough of our 2-bedroom unit. If you liked our walkthrough, definitely subscribe for more future room tours. And give this video a like if this hopefully helped you get excited for a future trip here at Bay Lake Tower. That's going to be it for today, so thanks for watching, and we will see you guys the next time we go to Disney and beyond.